Dear students, I am Dr. Ashok Kumar Saini, Associate Professor in Mathematics in Banwari Lal Jindal Soiwala College, Tosham. Today, I will deliver lecture on dynamics for the students of BA BSc third year, 6th semester. The topic of the lecture is projectile motion. We have already done time of flight, horizontal range, and greatest height of a projectile. Now we will to find the direction of projection for a given horizontal range. Now we will do the questions based on projectile. A particle is projected with a velocity of 49 meter per second in a direction, making an angle of 45 degree. With the horizontal, find one, time of flight, second, horizontal range, and third, greatest height of the projectile. Here u is equal to 49 meter per second, a equal to alpha equal to 45 degree. 1. Time of flight equal to 2u sin alpha beta g equal to 2 into 49 sin 45 degree बटे 9.8. 2 into 49 गुणा 1 बटे अंडर 2. बटे 9.8. G, value of G is 9.8 is equal to 5 under 2 second. Horizontal range, time of flight in this case is 5 under 2 second. Time horizontal range equal to formula is u square sin 2 alpha by g. And is equal to 49 का whole square sin 90 degree by 9.8 equal to 49 into 49 into 1 divided with 9.8 equal to 2.45 meter. Greatest height equal to u square sin square alpha by 2g equal to 49 का whole square sin square 45 degree but 2 into 9.8 is equal to 49 into 49 divide into 1 divided by 2 into 9.8 into 2 equal to 61.25 meter. These three parameters, time of flight, horizontal range, greatest height. The particle attain greatest height 61.25 meter. Horizontal range, particle covers 245 meter and time required is 5 under 2 second. Now next question on projectile is two balls are projected from the same point in directions inclined at an angle 60 degree and 30 degree to the horizontal. If they attain the same height, what is the ratio of their velocities of projection? Number 1. Number 2, if they have the same horizontal range, what is the ratio of their velocities of projection? रेशियो निकालनी हमने वेलोसिटी ऑफ प्रोजेक्शंस की कब? इफ दे अटेन द सेम हाइट and if they attain the same horizontal range. Solution: let the velocities of projection of the two balls be u1 and u2. Now the angles of projection for the two balls are alpha 1 equal to 60 degree and u2 equal to 30 degree. Alpha 2 is equal to 30 degree. Since the Particles attain the same height, and greatest height is given by the formula u square sin square alpha by 2g. So therefore u1 square sin square alpha 1 by 2g equal to u2 square sin square alpha 2 by 2g.